In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise hand in Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the option, what it looks like, and how to use it so you can participate without interrupting the speaker. First, open Zoom. You can launch the desktop app or head to the Zoom website and sign in there. Either way, works for this. The raise hand feature is available once you're inside a meeting, so go ahead and join one or start your own test meeting to follow along. Once you're in the meeting, bring your attention to the bottom of the Zoom window. That's where the toolbar lives. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse or tap your trackpad to wake it up. Zoom hides the controls when you're not actively using them. Make sure the Zoom window is active and not tucked behind other applications. If you're in full screen, the toolbar still appears at the bottom when you move your cursor there. Now, look for the option labeled React. Depending on your version, it may say Reactions, and it's usually represented by a smiley face icon. Clicking this opens a small panel with quick options you can use during the meeting. If your window is very narrow or your screen is zoomed in, some controls can be tucked away. The goal is to locate the React or Reactions control so you can access the panel. From that panel, choose Raise Hand. As soon as you click it, Zoom places a hand icon next to your name in the participant list, and most hosts will also see a visual indicator near your video tile. This politely signals that you have something to add without jumping in over someone else. After you raise your hand, pause, and wait to be called on. Many hosts acknowledge raised hands in the order they appear. Your hand will stay raised until it's lowered. You'll usually see the option change to lower hand in the same spot you clicked. Use that to turn it off once your question is answered, or if you no longer need to speak. In some meetings, the host may lower your hand for you. That's perfectly normal. A few quick tips as you use this. Keep your microphone muted until you're called on, so background noise doesn't distract the group. Make sure your Zoom window remains in focus so you can see when the host invites you to speak. And if you can't find React, try widening the Zoom window so all the controls are visible. That's it. Open Zoom, join or start a meeting, check the bottom toolbar, click React, then click Raise Hand. You're ready to participate smoothly and respectfully in any Zoom meeting.